Welcome to another video in the PLA 3.0 What's New series. In this video, we introduce our new import module, the Tecan Magellan Import Module for bioMérieux Endotoxin Detection Assays. With this import module, you can transfer bioMérieux Endotoxin Detection Assay data into PLA 3.0. It works together with the Tecan Magellan Reader Control software and the PLA 3.0 bioMérieux Endotoxin Detection Assay package to obtain and analyze assay data. The data import also integrates smoothly into automation procedures and is fully compliant to the regulations of the pharmaceutical industry. The Tecan Magellan Import Module for bioMérieux Endotoxin Detection Assays is your tailor-made solution to ensure a compliant workflow. Proceed from plate reading to assay analysis and beyond in just a few steps. Use a bioMérieux assay kit and the Tecan Magellan Reader Control software to prepare and read your assay plates. You can also rely on the Fluent Automation Workstation by Tecan Magellan to streamline your workflow. Within PLA 3.0, simply select the corresponding assay template and choose which endotoxin detection assays to import. For each pair of assay plates, identified by the import module via their assigned sample IDs, the solution automatically generates the respective electronic documents and initiates the calculation. Of course, PLA 3.0 also provides regulatory compliance. Every single bioMérieux endotoxin detection assay document is 21 CFR Part 11 and GAMP compliant to support the requirements for highly regulated environments. Integrity, authenticity, and confidentiality of electronic data in your system. The bioMérieux Endotoxin Detection Assay package comes with many predefined and adjustable templates to analyze the 96 well test kits EndoLISA, Endozyme 2Go, and Endozyme 2Go strips from bioMérieux. It also provides gain optimization for qualification of plate reader sensitivity and a comprehensive test system. Please visit www.bioassay.de for more information on PLA 3.0 and download options. You can try PLA, upgrade your existing installation, or buy a license.